Welcome to this week's spelling lesson. We're going to be working on prefixes again. It's not the same prefixes we've had before, so let's get started. Let's make sure we have all of our needed equipment. Have your scissors, a sharpened pencil, your spelling bag for your spelling words, your spelling journal, and of course your spelling words. And there you are in case you forgot them. Plus they are on your Google Docs, but if you want to make your own word squares, there you go. Okay, as usual, let's cut out our spelling words. And you're going to need your paper, your extra paper that I just cut off at the bottom, so you can make your exemplars. We'll have a few exemplars that go along with our prefixes as usual. So go ahead, make sure you're cutting these out. If you're not cutting your words out, you're really not studying the patterns the way you're supposed to. It only takes a few minutes to do this. So let's get it cut out. I'm going to pause my video and cut them out. Why don't you do the same thing? Okay, so we need our spelling notebook. Get that out there. And please put your spelling words all around your notebook as you're watching this so we can see all of our words. So when I talk about it, you can grab your word and do the same thing I am doing. Remember, you need to do what we do. Do not just write down the very first of what we write down. You're going to have to finish it. So just do it. You know the routine. It's nothing hard. Besides, we've done prefixes before, so this is going to be good. Also, we will have oddball words, and the oddball words are usually the words that we studied the week before. All right, so of course, as you know, we need the date. All right, and this is Unit 5, Week 3, and we are doing prefixes. Alrighty. Okay, remember that a prefix is a group of letters added to the beginning of a word that changes the word's meaning. So we're going to look at a couple of the words and talk about what that means. So first of all, well, we're going to have to cut some exemplars so that when we do our blind sorts, you have your exemplars. Some of you are like, well, what do I write down for my exemplars? Well, it's what we're doing today in the spelling video. Then you know what you need to do. All right, so our first one that we're looking at is disabled. Disabled. So dis is the prefix. Able is the root word. And dis often means not, absence of, or opposite of. So let's write dis. And we put that little hyphen there because this is at the first of the word, and that just means there's more word to come. So we're going to write dis and underline it. Okay, put that up there. So disable, let's spell that. D-I-S-A-B-L-E. Let's write it down. D-I-S-A-B-L-E. And always underline your prefix. Now remember, let's write up here that it means not. Okay. All right, it means more than not. It means absence of or opposite of also. But we just want to put there disable. That means you're not able to do something. All right, let's try another word. All right, we need another paper for our exemplar. Preview. So pre is our prefix. View is the base word. So we need to write pre, again the hyphen, to show there's more words to come, more part of the word to come, I mean. Then we have pre here with the hyphen. And pre often means before. So we are going to be going to the library for a book preview. So we get to go before we buy, we get to preview the book. So it's before. So let's spell that. P-R-E-V-I-E-W. All right. P-R-E-V-I-E-W. All right. right, and underline the pre. Now remember, if I'm going too fast, pause the video, go back and listen to it so you understand what we're doing. All right, let's find another one. Here's one. So we need another paper for another exemplar. So mistaken, mistaken. We don't say mistaken, we say mistaken. But miss is the prefix. So M-I-S hyphen, show that there's more letters to come. Okay, and let's write miss up here. Hyphen, underline that. And miss often means wrong. Okay, so if I'm mistaken, I'm not correct. I'm mistaken in my judgment. I'm mistaken in my answer, something like that. So that means usually wrong. So let's spell it M-I-S-T-A-K-E-N. Remember, this is the base word. This is the prefix. Spell it M-I-S-T-A-K-E-N. Mistaken. Mistaken. All right, let's see if we can find another word. So we've got, how about in? Indefinite. So we need to write I-N hyphen. All right, I-N hyphen. And in often means not or opposite of. So indefinite. Let's see. Can I think of anything else on that? So let's put not, and a slash is going to mean or, opposite of. That indefinite means it goes on and on and on. So we're not going to stop. Indefinite. All right, so let's spell that. I-N-D-E-F-I-N-I-T-E. So in is the word, is the prefix, I mean. So let's write that. I-N-D-E-F-I-N-I-T-E. Now remember, I'm spelling them to you, but you need to remember that if you're spelling them out loud also, it's helping you learn how to spell these words. So you need to listen, and you need to also say the word, and spell the word, and write the word. All right, so indefinite. I look at some other ones, and I'm trying to see if there's any other. So we've got dis, we've got in, we've got miss, and I think that is all that we're going to have this week. So this is a very easy one to do this week. I want you to finish all of the words that are around your notebook, and make sure that you are underlining the prefix. Make sure you say the word, spell the word, write the word, and as you're writing the word, please spell it out loud. Hopefully you don't have any questions. If you do, please ask your teacher at school. We will help you in any way that we can. All right, there you go. Not hard. Get it done. We'll see you at school.